Hey, right guys, finally time to lift my hashtag SSPC 2024 spuds down here. I've already lifted one lot. I tell you what, they're very tasty. I can't wait to tell you what the variety is. They're really good. So I'll point the camera down here, get them out without damaging them this year. I put my fork through quite a few last year. Then again, the compost was a lot harder last year, so right then, get on with it. Right then, here we go. I might leave that there actually, because it gives you a clue where they are, doesn't it? Ooh. Right, yeah, so it'll work along a bit then. I got them from there the other day, so if I start here, try and do it logically, eh? Now it's going to need a fork. Oh, gently. Bit of weeding while I go. Oh, I can feel some up there. What I'll do, I'll just do one area and then put the spuds back over here out the way. Right, there's no more down there, but there's loads here. This could take a while, this. Huh. Garlic there. Shout if you see one. Well, I'm pretty sure there's no more there, so what I'm going to do, I'll put those there for now. And just gradually move along, eh? I better speed this up a bit. That's it, be easier putting them there than in the basket, wouldn't it? Quite a few close to the surface, actually. What I'll do, I'll use this small one for now, and I'll go and get my big fork later on. Less risk of poking them. Potato seed there, look. Ooh, lovely. Right, time to move the camera, I think. Yeah. Phew. I thought I felt a big one down there. I think that's most of the easy ones. So I'm going to put these lot to one side. In fact, I'll start that end. I'll get my fork and I'll start that end. Yeah, I think I've got most of them anyway. That one could make all the difference. No, that's it. Oh, wow. Well, I'll tell you what, guys, you can't grumble at them, can you? All that from one seed potato. In fact, there's more than that, isn't there? There's another kilograms indoors that I picked the other day. Lovely tasting. I really can't. I cannot wait to tell you what the variety is, and I'm sure you'll all go out and buy it. Well, that's me for the SSPC this year. For me, anyway. I know there's loads more people who've got to put their weights in yet. I've only had about 12 or 15 so far of the 60 entrants, so you know, plenty of time yet. Once again, a massive big shout out to Bridgend Garden Centre up there in Fife in Scotland. Thanks so much for supplying these spuds, guys, and for the few people who don't want to be named who helped with the postage and packaging. Crikey, what's that, back in February now, isn't it? I can't wait to show you the compilation video in November. There's some big yields there. I mean, that's not bad, mine. That's not bad. Take care, guys. Catch you on the next video.